Right, here is a 2016 Mitsubishi Mirage 1.2 liter engine. Let's see how bad the air filter is. It's accessible without any tools. The airbox opens like this, and on the other side it's gonna just pivot around that corner there, and the air filter can be removed. Now the airbox itself needs to be also free of debris, leaves, I don't know, whatever gets sucked in here. So not a baseball cap, but whatever can be sucked into the engine. And let's see how bad this air filter is. Of course, it can also be exchanged or replaced for a clean one, or it could be cleaned, maybe not this way, but you can see it's dirty, with some compressed air. I'm just going to show you the directionality here. So this is how it was inside the airbox. This is where the dirt gets captured. So when I'm blowing air through it, I'm blowing it from the clean side towards the dirty side, not from the dirty side trying to force the particles even further into the filter material, paper in this case, paper folds. So I'm going to be blowing it from here as well as in this direction to clear as much of this stuff as possible. So at the shop here, this compressed air situation is fairly straightforward. There. So let's see how bad this is. So let's have a look at it. Is it clean? It's clean air. How clean is it? 70%, something like that. Very importantly, it's not torn anywhere. There are no holes in it, very important, and no major visible large debris. And a lot of the small stuff was also cleaned out from it. So when it comes to putting it back in my car, very straightforward. Again, the longer folds face that way towards the, I don't know, rest of the vehicle. And let's see if I can do this with one hand. Yeah, fairly easy. Yeah, make sure all four corners, all four tabs are engaged there with the airbox, looking like so on this side, and looking like so over here, one clip and the other clip. Done.